So as we discussed the recursive search and going through the previous code, I would like to show you another shortcut, which is a kill command in Linux. I know maybe it doesn't sound very humanistic, but it is how it is called. For example, if I go to home and if I go to the directory where I created a new file, previously it was in CD, in my ROS2 workspace, I have, if I press ls, list my files, these are the files that I had, this is the file that I have created, right? If I cat my text file here, I can see the content of it. So like, what was the name in Windows? Was it notebook? No, text editor? Let me check for a second. Yes, notebook application that you are using quite often in Linux, in Windows, I suppose. Similarly, in Ubuntu, we have gedit. And gedit is gonna open the default text editor in Linux. If I want to edit my text file, for example, I can press, I can start typing my text file name and enter. I have the default text editor of Ubuntu in here for me. So if I Windows right, I can put the gedit onto the right hand side of the window. And at the moment, if you see, my terminal is busy, because how can I understand that? The username and the directory has to be the very first thing before you start typing a command. But if you see in here, I have like an empty symbol here, like a rectangle here. It means that it is not accepting any commands here. If I come here, if I start something, for example, let me cd here, enter, doesn't work, ls here, enter, doesn't work, because this terminal is busy now with this process, which is running the gedit. If I want to kill this process, I need to first select my terminal and press CTRL-C. Then it gives, like, you see that this is the symbol of CTRL-C, and now my line of the terminal starts my username and the directory where I am at. So CTRL-C is the kill command in Linux. If I want to copy and paste stuff, for example, I would like to copy this, my text file. Of course, you can right click and copy paste here, but we don't do it. This is not very cool. What we do instead is selecting that text and CTRL-SHIFT-C to copy any text in the terminal. And to paste it, as you might now guess, we are not doing CTRL-V, because CTRL-V doesn't do anything here, but we press CTRL-SHIFT-V. Then whatever the text we have copied, either through the terminal or somewhere else, we can paste the terminal with CTRL-SHIFT-V. Okay? But I don't have any command starting with my text file, so I'm just gonna stop this process, or stop writing / stop or kill the process here by pressing CTRL-C. And you see I start writing the commands, but I press CTRL-C. Now I am not continuing to whatever I was up to, but I have a new line of writing the code.